I'm so happy to see you on this video. You are awesome. You take the initial baby step toward to the dropshipping industry. I still remember I was work from a part-time. Each day I spend around 2 to 3 hours on this business, and right now I am happy to share with you I can be full-time. I have more time to my family and to myself. Yet the income is much more than my previous 9 to 5 job. Okay, I know you are so excited right now to start up your online store and wish to bring in sales tomorrow. This is a very good mindset. Just a true story that I would like to share with you. My first sales come in after 3 days I set up my own CommerceHQ store. So ready? This tutorial will take you around 1 hour fully set up your online store and make sure you go through all the step by step to set up your online store. This example is a brand new store which I go through with you. I also will put down the time marker below in case you miss any part, then you can go back to study again. Hi, my name is macklauss. Some of my friends will just call me MK. I'm a full-time digital marketer, and now I'm building up my own YouTube channel to share my knowledge online on dropshipping business. My vision is to be the leading digital marketing channels in the world, and my mission is to provide my knowledge to empower online entrepreneurs to create positive change. If you are first time watching my video, please give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button as well as turn on the bell. And don't forget, leave me a comment what type of challenging that you are facing on dropshipping business or anything related with e-commerce. Perhaps I can make some video for you. In this video, not all the app and features that I will set up on the CommerceHQ store. What I do is based on the beginner usage. If you want to find out more on what are the apps and features on CommerceHQ, you can refer back to my previous video. Without delay, let's zoom in into the hard work right now. Before you're signing up, make sure that you are in the right place. If you click on the link below, then you will get a $99 for 3 stores. After you click it, then you just need to fill in your full name, email address, and a password. So don't worry. So this name will not appear on your store. Key in your store name and your store subdomain name. Then after you key in both, then you can start build your store now. So don't worry, you can change it afterward. Now we go to the name chk.com. This website is for you to check your availability of your domain name. So whether the domain is available, and then as well as those social media as well. Let's take an example. If it's green and as well as those colorful social media, which means it's available. Let's take an example. Let's say for example, I type MANYONG. This is my one of the domain name purchased before. So you will see the .com is no color and the rest will be the green. And as well as all the social media, they are not available. So for example, now we are testing another word. Let's say for example, we key in my green store and then click the search button. So .com, .net not available, the rest available. As you can see, all the social medias also not available. So let's try another name. Let's say for example, my green garden. So let's try it out, see whether it's available or not. So my green garden also not available on .com, .net, and as well as all the social media. So let's try another name. For example, I show you. Let's try super deal. Super good deal. Let's try super good deal. As you can see, .com is available, but they are selling at $2,888. So if you're interested, you can purchase at this price. So after you found your ideal domain name, then we just go back to the CommerceHQ. Let's zoom back to a CommerceHQ. So the first thing is you want to connect your domain. So click on my domain, then either you are connect existing domain or buy domain. So for me, I'm testing right now, so I already searched my name, Young Online Boss. So it's available So I just check availability text one more time so I can purchase it at. So the price is $8.72 USD per year. So I just click buy. Then after that I key in all my informations, credit card information. Then after I confirm it, then I just click confirm. So wait the website to load it and link it to the CommerceHQ. Okay, done. As you can see, young online boss, beside that they got a red dot because I haven't activated my SSL. So I just click activate my SSL. So you see, green color. So you activate your SSL certificate in green color. After that, we go to the App Store. So the first app that I need to install is the Accelerator App. So you scroll down and just click on install, then configure it. So this will show you there are 7 steps that need to set up your store. So one is build my store for me. So just click it. Then after that you choose your favorite themes from here. So there are 5. So choose out of the 5. Then after that you can change it because this one is a tweak themes. Then after that you can change it to the visual builder themes. So don't worry, at the end of the video I will show you how to change it. So just select the theme that you like first. For example, I like. So after browse tool, I will select the Montserrat for my themes. So after you have your mind, so just click set your themes. Then just easy like that. Alright, after you select the themes, then you need to set up a lot of things. For example, you have to create your about page. So don't worry, the CommerceHQ already create some standard for you. So you just go through it. So anything you want to change or anything you want to amend, you just amend from here or change from here. After you've gone through all the things, then you just click OK. Then it's fine. After that, you can change it from time to time. So let it load for a while. Then after that, you will go to the setup your payment process. There are several payments that accept by the CommerceHQ: USD, Canadian, Europe, Britons, Australians, and New Zealand dollars. So I prefer USD. So after that, you select the USD, then you have to connect to your PayPal and Stripe. PayPal is for the PayPal account. If you have PayPal account, just key in your PayPal account, then you just click connect. Then after that, Stripe is for your credit card. So customer will pay on a credit card, then they will using the Stripe account. So you just connect with the Stripe. If you have Stripe, then you just key in the sign in on your right hand corner. If you don't have, then you have to key in all the informations that they need to key in. Alright, after we set up the payment process, then we check it again whether it is connected or not. So you just click on the dashboard, choose payment processing. Then after that you will see, oh, Stripe is connected, PayPal is connected. So by the default, your store currency is the USD. So if you want to connect others payment processor, then you can click on your right hand side the button. There are the 5 that you can select it from, so connect it if you want. The next step is your set up your shipping rate. So if you have mine in your dropshipping rate, so you just click. If no, then it will just automatically by default, so set shipping rate. Okay, done. Then the next is your Facebook pixel. The Facebook pixel, there is a video there. You go through the video, then we'll guide you step by step how to set up your pixels. So we skip it right now, and then the next one will be your supporting email. So don't worry, there will be a video to guide you how to set up your email automatically. After you key in all the relevant information, then you just click complete email setup, and that's simple. After you are using the Accelerator app to set up all the store, so I just go back and check it, double check, so whether it's on par on my setting or not. So for the first one, we will go to the general setting, so I go through again, so everything okay, look fine, then I just click save. The next, we will go to the domain. Okay, they show you the SSL check field, so I just check it again because it's a new by domain. Then I have to wait for a while, then at least 1 hour. Then after that, you click again, then we should be fine after that. So at the end of the video, the SSL security check will be fine to us. So let's check it out afterward. Alright, after all the general settings been set up, then we need our logo for our store. So I have two methods to create my logo. The first one, we will go to the canva.com. So I will show you right here how I'm going to use canva.com. It's a free logo design. So they got a various of the template. From there you can choose it from the template. So I prefer use Canva. So there are some templates from a gaming logo, art and design, fashions, brand, computer, food, and education, sport and restaurant, and a lot of more. So let's take an example. Let's say we go to the fashion logo. So we click all, see what there we have. So you just pick up your favorite from the logo there. Then after you select the template, then you can change the color and as well as those wording inside to change back to your preferred word and logo as well, color tone as well. I already have my mind on design my own logo. So if you have all your own ideas, then you can make it by your own. So let's go through one by one. So I will design my logo from these videos. So the text, you can choose it from the text. There are a lot of pattern of the text that you can select from. So if you are not good in design a logo, so give the expert do the work. So here is the AI website that can create free logo for your store. So it's called hatchful.shopify.com. I will leave the link below, then you can click it on the link. Then it's a free from need to choose. So the first one, you have to choose your industry. For example, this one I choose text, then choose your visual style. So I choose reliables, and then scroll down, energetic, and as well as friendly. I think I will choose friendly as well. going to suit to my store style. So after that, then you just click next. And key in your business name and a slogan for optional. If you have slogan for your business, then as well as key in the slogan. So you have various to choose from your social medias, for online store, business card, what kind of the things that you need to use for the logo. So for us, it's an online store and website. So wait for a moment. After that, then we'll come up with the AI design logo for you. So after you choose your preferred design, then just click on it and customize it for your own. For example, your color tone, your text. For example, I like this one. So after I click it on, then I can change my business name at here as well. Then this themes does not support my slogan, so you cannot add my slogan. After you have all your setting up, then you just click next. And then click the download button. It's all done. Alright, then after you have created your logo, then now we have go to the checkout page. So we click on the checkout page, then select our checkout step. So I select 4-step checkout. Then logo alignment, you can select center. I select center. So you upload your logo here. Customer name, so I require both. Company name, I think I will select optionals. There's not so requirements. Phone number, yes, is a must. And then default promotion email consent checkbox, so you can either select disable or customer do not agree. So it's up to you. So I leave it to customer do not agree by the default. And after that, you can select your term of service, refund and exchange policy, privacy policy as well. So just generate from the example from the template there. So abandon checkout, I keep it to 10 minutes. So this is visible, and then use your own domain for checkout. So set. No product file because we have no added any product yet. So just go to the Accelerator app, then we just add some product. So there are all the winning product there. So you just click add product and download ads. So after that, you browse through it and you can select the niche as well if you want to. So I just browse through the niche for you and see what are the niche that are inside in the CommerceHQ inside the Accelerator app. But this is all the winning product that update weekly so that you can sell it for your store. For the beginner, then it's very good app for use. So this look good for me. So I just click it on, then I go through the description, go to the ad, and after that, just click add product now. Simple. Let's go through. So your product is successful import. So let's go to the product list. Click it. And then you will see I already add a waterproof sport wireless earbud. So I click on it, then we'll go to my site to see how is it go through. So it's look good. They got 4 type of color: red, black, silver, and gold. So I just browse through again. Description got how to use. Okay, good, fine. So everything look good and perfect. So just one click button, I can import the product from my Accelerator app. Oh, good, very good. I got a review as well. Let's go back to the CommerceHQ. Then we set up all the apps that we need to increase our conversion rate. So let's go to the App Store. So the Accelerator app we already installed. So the next one will be the Currency Converter. So all your potential customer is from the various country in the world. So it's good that you can this application to your store. This will change based on their domestic IP address, geographical IP address. So don't worry, if you are from Africa, then we change to Africa dollars. If you are from UK, then we change to UK. So after that, you go to the App Store again, select another app. Let's say Shipping Plus, no need, review already on. FB security patch. Yes. This will increase the trust from your customer if you have this patch. So let's click configure. So add your first patch. So you can type your patch name. So after you type it, the status you always is active. After the security patch, then we go to the App Store again. Let's browse to the apps, and this time we go to checkout timer. So configure it. So we run our checkout timer on both checkout and a cart, and as well as the color code. You can change it. So I just click save. By the way, you can select the numbers of the minute countdown. Great, save it, successful. So the next app will be App Store again. So the lead capture overlay I will explain to you on the end of the video. So the next I will go to the promotion bar first. So let's configure it. Add my first promotion bar. So my promotion bar name will be grand opening. Welcome to my store. Okay, welcome to my online courses. So I select the status to the active. So I just text without button. So the text will be, I will change it. This is by the default. If you don't mind, then you can use it. But for me, I will change it to my grand opening. Okay, the promotion on page on top, always visible when scrolling, no. If you yes, then they will always visible on your top, so I will select no for the interruptions for my clients or my. So the page to display, you can select all of them from the cart, product page, collection, and thank you as well. So for us, so we select all of them. Timer Widget, Quality Left, and Recent Purchase. So these 3 apps we also need to install. So first we go to the Timer Widget, so configure it. So we'll reset every days. So targeting will be the all products, then save. So the next one, go to the App Store again. Quantity left, configure it. This is to increase the urgency of your customer. When they see the product is running low, then they will buy immediately. So the next app will be the recent purchase notification. This will pop up a small notification on your right hand side, bottom right, for your customer, so that they will see the recent purchase from the client from where, so to increase their trustworthy to your store. So after all the settings are done, then let's go to review our live store. So how does it look like compared to the previous one? So you just click the dashboard, view my live store, and then boom, so the product. So you click on your product that we added just now. So here got a lot of colors. Anything changed? The promotion bar, they got the release. Then the review, color, so all looks good. Then quantity, no problems. Security patch, so very awesome. Quantity left, time left, descriptions, review, so everything in the par. So great, perfect. And grand opening, buy one get one free at any products. Look great. Let's jump up from the CommerceHQ store a while. So let's go to the pixels.com. This is the free website to download all your high resolution photo, that it is free to download. So I leave the link below so you can check it out. So for example, you want to select for the e-commerce photo, then you just browse to, they got a lot of categories, so small subcategories as well. So you just browse through it, so which one the photo that you like, then you just download it from it. So it's very simple. After you have downloaded your high resolution photo, let's go to the CMS. Set up your home slide photo. So you select home page slider. So the default they got 2 images. Let's go to the edit, the first one. Okay, the image name, if you want, you can change it. So you want to download and select the photo that you downloaded just now. For example, I select this one. I like this one, so the idea bug. So the slider image, you can choose either smart crop or don't crop. For sure, I will change the heading. For example, I write here to turn your idea online. Then the heading color, call to action button color. So this is all by default. So after that you confirm, then you just click save. Wait for a moment, they're loading up. Okay, done. So now you go to the edit, the second image. Same procedures. Drop your image here. You just select the image that you have downloaded just now. So just upload it. Okay, done uploaded. Then change the heading. Hand on. Not good. What else? We lead you to actions. This better. Can save. Wait, look for a while. Okay, done. Let's go to the live store check. So by right now you have refresh it. This is the previous one, so refresh it, you get a new photo that we uploaded just now. So look good, but the heading is too dark for us. So when I go back and change the color, match it back to our corporate identity color, which is gold color that I selected. So you just click edit, and then I got my color code already because it is my corporate identity color. So if you don't have, you go to Google it, then you just find your color in the hex code. After you change the hex code, then call to action button I will change as well. I click it to learn more. Call to action button I leave it to the back default, and it's look good for me. So it's gold and black. So save. Same procedures go to image 2. So I will change the color code for the heading. Then save. Another one. Learn more. Okay, done. Let's go back and refresh our page. So the previous one is a black color, not so nice. And shop now, I want to change to learn more. So let's refresh it. Boom. Okay, let's done. Gold color, wow. And learn more. I like it. So now at our store here, there are only one product and one category. Let's go back to the Accelerator app. So let's add few more products to our store, and I can teach you and guide you what are the collection lists and how to change the drop down menu bar. So let's go to the Accelerator app, go to add products. So I just select a few of them randomly for just demo purposes. Okay, done. We have 4 products in our store. Let's go to the product list and check it out. Okay, great. We have a 4 product in our store right now. If you want to add your own product, there's also a very simple step. Just go to the product, add product. So you can add either a single variants or multi-variants. So multi-variants is the variants of the size, color, and etc. So you just select what type of product, what are the collection. You just type in your product title, descriptions, and then at the end fill in all the blank and then upload your image and then publish. It's very simple. Besides, you can add your own collection list as well. So you just go to the collection list. So right now you have 4 collection lists: cooking, outdoor, car, and gauges. If you want to add a new collection, just go to the click on the add new collections. So the collection title, what of the collection title you want to add, for example, latest product, hot product, and collection descriptions, and as well as a cover photo. After you're done, then you just click publish. Let's go to the live store to see how is the product look like that we just uploaded just now. So portable mini ceiling households machines look good. So all the functions there, features, how to use, specification, review. So great. So now you can see from the home, go through it again, then shop now. But the shop now, they're not so nice for the 4 in row. So we go back and change it. So we just go back and click on the CMS. So everything you want to change, all the settings mostly will be on the CMS. So CMS drop down navigation link, and I'm select cooking, edit it. So I'm scroll down, so the column position. So there are the 4 columns there, so you can choose from 1 to 4. For example, now cooking I'm choosing for 1, and then outdoor I will select for 2, car I will select for 3, and gadget I select as 1. So let's do an example. So after I change it, so what will happen in my live store? Okay, let's refresh the page. So you will see cooking, outdoor, and car. So cooking and gauges are the same column. So if you want to have 4 columns, so gauges I will select number 4. And then save it. Let's go back to the page again and refresh it, see the result. In CommerceHQ, they also support a blog post. So let's take examples to the blog post. So let's go to the edit. You can add your blog post as well. So for examples, so you can type your name, your blog post thumbnail, and then preview and content. After you have done it all of this, then you just click save. Besides, social media link also can link your social media to this CommerceHQ. For example, you can add social media link, you can add Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other URL. Okay, right now we go to the setup the abundant cart. Let's go to the CMS, abundant checkout. Abundant checkout is those people who add to cart but not yet purchased, and they already key in some information as well, the initial checkout. So for example, now we set up our campaign first. So abundant cart checkout. Then click on add automated email. There are 3 types: warning, reminder, and incentive. So for the first email, we want to put a reminder. So from there is a default there. So you have a plain text, stylish, clean, and a minimal. So I prefer to stylish. So let's take example to the stylish. You can choose your favorite as well. After you choose, then you click continue. By default, you can select your email subject. And then your email headline. Or you choose your cart is waiting for you. Continue, then body text. So whether you can choose from the default or you can key in your own. So after that you just click continue, then call to action button. So I will just resume your checkout, then continue. So done for the first email. So the first email I want to send out is after 20 minutes. So I'll go through your one. Oh, I want to add my store logo. So you click on store logo, you select your store logo that you are just created just now. So now create a second email, also a reminder. Click continue, and then same style, stylish. So this time I will select your shopping cart miss you. Continue. Go to the email headline. Continue, go to the body text. And then call to action button, complete checkout, continue, done. And the second email I will select for 20 minutes. Okay, second email done, then next go to the third email. Third email, this time we will give incentive. So let's click continue, stylish, continue. So the email subject, you give 10% off to finish your orders, and then get 10% off when they 24 hours by using this code, and grab it now. The time I'm changed to the hours, and I'm select 6 hours after he added all the cart, so that my third email will send up to them. Okay, right now we go to create our coupon code, as we want to give a 10% off to our clients, to our customers. So add a coupon code campaign. So for example, you can say 10 off. After you key in your campaign name, you can select the limit of the user. So I just put it to unlimited, and then I validate, so I just say never end. And then the discount here, you can select in total amount or the percentage. So I'm select percentage, 10% off. Gift card code super SUPER 10. So this is a code that I will give to my client or my customer. They can come to purchase. When they key in this code, they can get 10% off right away. So I didn't add any rules. Save. So set. So let's go back to the abandoned email there. Just copy and paste the code that you just created just now. Adding setting. Because the third email that we will only send the code to them. So we just need to amend the third email from code 123 to super 10 that we are just created just now. So let's go back to the checkout page. So see what we are left out from the previous setting. In order to give a good experience to our customer. Well, we found that we left out the heading logo, so we just add it back to the logo. So the header logo will be at the checkout page. So term of service, fun, policy, seems good. Okay, good using the domain, save it. Automate email, no need. Employee, no need. Upsells campaign, yes, we need to set up the upsells campaign. So let's go to create the upsells campaign. There are three types of the upsells campaign: related product campaign, buy X number, get X number off, and then a store-wide discount with timer. So let's create the first one first. Buy X item, get X item of free. How many percent? So like example, we campaign this name as buy 2 get 15% off. So all product, target country leave it blank. So we just put here buy X item get how many percent off. So I just put in buy 2 get 15% off, add another offer, buy 3 get 20% off, for example. And after that you just click save. So the second campaign that we want to create is the related product campaign. So like example, we create a campaign. This campaign will be before the checkout will show on the product page. So we just name the campaign name as a related products, upsells, and then we can move it from the level to the level. For example, my product from the same category, same collection, I want to move it up for the priority, so I can move it up. So I can move down to the commonly bought together to the level 3. So after I have moved all the settings, I just click save. So now we have 2 campaign upsells. So let's check it out on the product page. Let's take example on the mini portable bicycle pump. So we go through all the product page. So upgrade. So we just click quantity, no problem. To add to cart. We just test this out. See how it works. So when I can show you here, when I get buy 2, you get 15% off. I change the quantity to 3, you get 20% off. So which means the upsell campaign is working. But just we have only one related product, so you can't see any related product show up on the product page. So let's go back to the Accelerator app. So we add another similar category, also called collections product, with the mini portable bicycle pump. So let's go to the outdoor. We select the same category. So this look good. Rainproof reflect rear bicycle bag. So for example, I add this product to my store. Let's wait for a moment to up. Okay, let's refresh the outdoor collections. Okay, now we have 2 products in this collection. Let's go to the product page. Same product page. Let it load. You can see the related product already add for the upsell campaign. Okay, let's add the 3rd campaign. So we go to create campaign and then store worldwide discount with timer. This will show up after their purchase. Then we'll give them a timer to let them purchase again without keying any payment detail. They can purchase and then you can get 10% off. For example, this one I can set 10% off. So you can select either text with button or image. So after I key in the 15-minute time for him or for her to purchase again, so let's save. Okay, right now we have 3 campaigns. 10% off related products and I buy 2 get 15% off. Let's check it again on the product page. Add cart, working, get 4, 3 items, get 20% off. Even I click 4, so everything look good. Check out. So the customer have to key in all the information, either you pay Stripe, credit card, or you just pay PayPal. Okay, at this stage we almost all done for our store. So let's have a tour and click all the buttons. So see what things that we left out before we move on to the do advertisement. To inform the entire world, we are grand opening our store right now. You can get 50% off store-wide products. Alright, before we end our videos, I want to show you that I promised to you that you can change the themes for your store. So you just click on themes. So you will see here is the theme in the library that you are using. So let's click on the theme store there. In the theme store, you can select either tweet themes or builder themes. So in the tweet theme, there are only 5 themes in the template, that which is initial that you key in the store. So meanwhile, on the builder themes, there are a lot of more themes that you can select, which is customized by your own. So you just browse to it. If you like the theme in the builder themes, then you can select and add to your library. After you add to your library, then you can use it. This is the lead capture overlay, which means whoever customer that browse to your website, they will box up a window that let them to key in their email, their name and the phone number. Then you can collect this data, then you can follow up with them by email, by phone after work, because these are the potential customer that we are looking for. So let's go through it together, then how to set up. So you can select the themes. They already have the template, so you just select the template that you prefer. So I like the shoes logo. It suits to my style, so I just use the theme. So you can click the preview and see how it's going on. Also look good. So the photo at the top, then you can get a 10% off coupon, sign up for our newsletter. So I just click use the themes. So you can select the font type as well as the border. So as you increase the numbers, so your picture will become smaller. So not only that, you can select the image or without image for your box up. So if you want to upload, you can upload your image from your computer or your laptop. Let's go through it. Okay, display message, go to URL, no need. So the frequency of clipping, so I set it to 1 impression of 5 minutes. So look great. So maybe name, okay, so more. So okay, I will just need my name and email, so no need phone number. So after that, submit. Done. Okay, let's check it on our live store. Dashboard, live store. Log into our live store. Loading. Box up. Okay, great. Look great. Get 10% off. Name, email. Thank you for watching. If you are first time watch my video, please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell. And I will share a lot of tips on dropshipping business, and later on we will share a lot of tips on how to making money online. My vision is to be the leading digital marketing channel in the world, and my mission is to provide my knowledge to empower young online entrepreneurs to create a positive change to their life. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget leave me a comment if you have any thought, ideas and would like to share with me, and then I will reply all of them personally. Good luck in your dropshipping store.